Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your title in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu, where we have our channels, direct messages, teammates, and some tips. From here we can go into the menu in the top right corner, then tap on view profile, then edit profile, and then we find title, where if we tap, we can add our title in the company. So for example, we can, we can just type in CEO and then just tap on save. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.